Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I recently ordered just a few things from Let's Resin, and this came this way. It arrived today, and this was already in there, so I'm really hoping that nothing's damaged. That I don't think was Let's Resin's fault as much as the shipping company. Let me go ahead and see if I can pull. Oh, don't want to. Yeah, that box looks pretty rough. Hopefully the contents inside aren't bad. I'm going to pull it out. And I'm going to start with this one, and I hope that it's not damaged. This is, and you may think it's silly when I show you what it is, but I'll explain why I ordered it. This is, let me see what the official name is, if it has one here, is the Let's Resin Pumpkin Jar Mold. And I know that it's May, and that Halloween, Thanksgiving, they're still a few months down the road. But I'm sorry for the noise from the packaging. But I mean, kind of like with clothing or anything else, right now Let's Resin has a lot of seasonal products on sale, seasonal molds. Like they have some Christmas stuff, some Easter stuff, like the hen and the chicks, and a bunch of different Halloween stuff. But all of that's on sale right now. So I would rather buy it when it's on sale if possible. And so that's why I did that. And this is just like a little pumpkin jar. And one of the reasons I wanted this is I think it would be a lot of fun. I always think of my grandkids. That's the first thing I thought about when I saw the pumpkin mold on sale. I thought, yeah, I could make something like that for them and fill it with candy. Instead of having a goodie bag, they could have a goodie pumpkin. But it'd be also a nice gift for a friend, a family member, a coworker. And I'm talking about Halloween, decorating it up and so forth. But you could also do something like that and use it as a centerpiece of sorts with some decoration or whatever for Thanksgiving on the table. But it's got a little lid, and here's the little pumpkin. And I'm kind of excited to work with it. Just honestly see what can I put in it, because I love to put things in resin. But there's the bottom of it, and it seems like a nice sturdy mold. There's the little pumpkin. Let me set that aside, and I'm going to kind of keep that paper with it so I can read it later. And let's go ahead and open this. Oh, it's the Let's Resin Turtle. Again, this too was on sale. And I have the frog and I have the lizard. So I thought, you know, the turtle's on sale. Let's go ahead and get it as well. And I will put a link to my affiliate Let's Resin link in the comment section below. Excuse me, in the description box below. I mean, think about checking out that link and seeing what all they have on sale. I mean, to check out the link, it's absolutely free. If you do decide to purchase something, all that means is I get a very small commission at no extra cost to you. I'm looking at this turtle, and it's so cute. I don't know, can you see? Let's see if we can turn around and see it. No, you can't see it that way. It's a nice sturdy mold. But it's got like little indentations for the turtle shell. And it looks like it's got a little bitty turtle tail. This is going to be fun. I'll probably pour this one pretty quickly. I like that. I like the pumpkin too, but I think I'll probably pour this one first. And then last but not least, I went ahead and opened the envelope on this one, but I haven't opened the package itself, so I'm excited to do that. And this is the Butterfly and Moth collection. I have been looking for butterflies in particular for a project that I want to do soon. And I mean, I've been looking. I've been eyeballing these for a while, but they recently had a good sale, so I decided to go ahead and get them. So I'm excited to see what these look like. It's a cute little envelope. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Oh, okay. Let's fold the butterfly down to open it. And let's see what all's in here because I don't know. Oh, it even tells you. Tells you what kind of butterflies and moths. Oh, oh, here's some little ones, y'all. Oh, how cute. They're nice and small to use in smaller projects. I'm actually going to open this because I want to pull one out and look at it. Let me see if I can get my fingers down in here without ripping the bag. I just want to see. Oh, yes, they are double-sided. That's perfect. Because I want to be able to put butterflies in stuff and not just, I mean, I have some butterfly stickers, but then you can only see one side and you have to stick them down. I actually want to use these to make a 3D something something. Let me go ahead and I'm going to pull out a few more and see if I can do that without tearing them up. Oh, these are pretty, y'all. Look at those. Those are big, too. Those are really pretty. I don't want to tear them up. And they feel like they're kind of cardboardish. They're not thin paper. They're like cardboard of some sort, of thin cardboard, which is great. I probably won't be able to put these back in now. I'm going to try, though, without tearing them up. I'm excited about these because I have been looking for butterflies for months now. And I've been looking like at Hobby Lobby and just places like that. I haven't found exactly what I was looking for, but this is what I was looking for. Now, I'm not going to do it with this one because the project I want to use on, I actually want to kind of fold the wings up like the butterfly is landing on something. And because these are double-sided, I can do that. And because they're cardboard, there's some form of cardboard, and then there's a bunch of little ones. And let's see what it says here. I forget how many the package said it had. Let's see. Well, right off top, I'm not seeing. Anyhow, there's several of them, all different sizes. Very colorful and very pretty. And a little educational card as to what they are, which is awesome. I'm excited about that as well. Well, I want to thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to pouring these new molds, and this one will probably be first. I'm not going to lie about that one. I'm excited to pour this turtle. And this will be in the near future because I do want to make something for my grandkids with these. I mean, October, it's only, what, 5 months away. The older you get, the faster time flies, so it'll be here before you know it. Again, I will put a link to some of the products I use in my description box below, and that's my Let's Resin affiliate link. Let me know what you think about the molds and the butterflies. I want to thank you for watching, and do please consider hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons, and watch for the near future for the pouring of the turtle. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Thanks.